I suppose many of you recognize these plants immediately. We are looking at peonies, of course. I think that some of you at least remember such a neat, orderly row of peonies from your grandparents' gardens. They are still quite popular because they're so easy to grow. You can just plant them, give them some fertilizer, and leave them to their own devices for many, many years. These plants have been growing here for 50 years, but some of them, at least, I suppose, are much older. I transplanted them from an old lady's garden a decade ago, and I think the old lady had planted them in the 1940s or 50s. The only thing that we need to remember about is staking. Staking is essential because the flower heads are so big and so heavy. The soil beneath the peonies looked quite bare, so I underplanted them with hostas. These hostas are surprisingly resistant to slugs. At least this year we haven't had many slugs yet, so we can enjoy the beauty of the hostas and the incredible scent and loveliness of the old-fashioned peonies.